All right. Work done. BC Brian Crower. Camshaft installation done. You can see you can appreciate the camshaft effect. Now we're going to tune it. Monday or Tuesday, one of those days. Yes. We already got a lean reading right here. Before was saying 14.7, 14.9. Now it's saying 15.7. That means it's getting lean. It's getting no issues. Let's see how many HP we can gain. Work done. Work done. Thank you for watching. If you need a tuner, this is the guy you need. If you need a tuner, this is the guy you need. Period. Tune by Sergio. Search it on Google. Thank you for watching. God bless everybody.